Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit the bell icon. Today we're gonna learn how to change Spotify profile picture. First of all, open your application. Now go to the settings icon on the top right corner and tap on it. Now you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Just below the profile icon, you can see the edit button. Tap on it. Now you can see change a photo option. Tap on it and it will give you two options, either to choose from library or take a photo. Here I'm tapping on choose from library. Now I'm gonna choose a photo. You can also adjust the way it looks. After you are satisfied, you can click on choose. Now you can see how it's gonna look. After you're satisfied, you can save it by tapping on save. Now it will show you uploading, and after the uploading is completed, you can see your profile picture updated. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you face any problem, let us know on the comment section below, and also hit the like button if it helped you. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for similar videos.